Hello everyone, welcome to BMGK Point channel, Technology and IT. What is the full form of GUI? Answer: Graphical User Interface. What is the full form of GIF? Answer: Graphics Interchange Format. What is the full form of GB? Answer: Gigabyte. What is the full form of GPS? Answer: Global Positioning System. What is the full form of GSM? Answer: Global System for Mobile Communication. What is the full form of GML? Answer: Geography Markup Language. What is the full form of GGP? Answer: Gateway to Gateway Protocol. What is the full form of GDI? Answer: Graphics Device Interface. What is the full form of GIGO? Answer: Garbage in, garbage out. What is the full form of GPL? Answer: General Public License. What is the full form of GFLOPS? Answer: Giga Floating Point Operations per Second. What is the full form of GDS? Answer: Global Distribution System. What is the full form of GUID? Answer: Globally Unique Identifier. Science and Medical. What is the full form of GABA? Answer: Gamma aminobutyric acid. What is the full form of GHRA? Answer: Growth hormone releasing hormone. What is the full form of GERD? Answer: Gastroesophageal reflux disease. What is the full form of GFR? Answer: Glomerular filtration rate. What is the full form of GTT? Answer: Glucose tolerance test. What is the full form of GMC? Answer: General Medical Council. What is the full form of GHS? Answer: Globally Harmonized System. What is the full form of GH? Answer: Growth hormone. What is the full form of GAT? Answer: General Aptitude Test. Government, Defense and Organization. What is the full form of GST? Answer: Goods and Services Tax. What is the full form of GAIL? Answer: Gas Authority of India Limited. What is the full form of GIC? Answer: General Insurance Corporation. What is the full form of GRP? Answer: Government Railway Police. What is the full form of GOC? Answer: General Officer Commanding. What is the full form of GNP? Answer: Gross National Product. What is the full form of GDR? Answer: Global Depository Receipt. What is the full form of GCC? Answer: Gulf Cooperation Council. What is the full form of GPO? Answer: General Post Office. Science and Space. What is the full form of GSLV? Answer: Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. What is the full form of GMT? Answer: Greenwich Mean Time. What is the full form of GPRS? Answer: General Packet Radio Service. Economy and Business. What is the full form of GDP? Answer: Gross Domestic Product. What is the full form of GAAR? Answer: General Anti-Avoidance Rule. What is the full form of GSTN? Answer: Goods and Services Tax Network. Computer and Gaming. What is the full form of GPU? Answer: Graphics Processing Unit. What is the full form of GOP? Answer: Group of Pictures. What is the full form of GHZ? Answer: Gigahertz. Society and Organization. What is the full form of G7? Answer: Group of Seven. What is the full form of G20? Answer: Group of 20. What is the full form of GATT? Answer: General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade. Education and Career. What is the full form of GATE? Answer: Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. What is the full form of GMAT? Answer: Graduate Management Admission Test. What is the full form of GRE? Answer: Graduate Record Examinations. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment.